back on the creative screen. Let's go and try the editor. NoviSign's editor gives you the ability to split the screen, to use many elements as images, movies, slides, flash, clock, YouTube, RSS, and more in a very simple way using the editor, which is very friendly and easy to use, but really rich with possibilities. Now let's press on the orange button, Compose. Now what you see here, first of all, as we did before, it's really important to give the new creative that we are building using the editor, a name. A name and description, as we did before, so the system can locate it later. Now, in this table below the name and the description, you can see the templates of NoviSign system, which were made specially for you. It can help you design your own screen using the templates of a winery shop, salon, corporates, clinic, spa, swimming pool, education center, supermarket, hotel, real estate, and bakery. Pressing on this white dart, you can use the resolution for your own screen. If it's wide, if it's standard, just pick the size that's right for you. We will try the templates later. What I would like us to do, first of all, is to build a new screen, especially with the content that we have just uploaded to the system. Let's pick the blank option and press on Create. This is NoviSign's editor. The screen is built from 4 different parts. First of all, as we have seen in other screens, on the upper side of the screen, we have right here a row of orange buttons. We have the Save button, which we must use any action, any change that we are making. The Preview, so you can see the display before saving it in the system. The Library, which gives us the ability to approach all the files, all the content that we have ever uploaded, add and delete as we did before, and to close the editor right here. The second part is right here on the left. It's the row of the features that we can easily use. Pressing on less or more will open and close all the abilities, all the features for your convenience. In the middle, right here, you have the demo of the screen that you're going to build. And right here on the right, you have the properties of the creative. Please note that you can go up and down. See a larger variety of properties of each feature that you are using. Let's start. As we did before, you just drag and drop the feature that you want to upload and to split the screen by, as I will show you right now. First of all, pressing on the screen before starting with uploading the features gives us the ability to design the background. Pressing right here on the fill gives us the option to pick a color and to pick different backgrounds. Let's pick this one, for example. See how it changes. Then pick a color. After doing the changes, just close. If you change your mind anytime after setting one of the features by the place, by the size, or by the content, you can just double click it or press on the button at the side and restart the action. Let's change it to green. Let's change it to blue. Anything you like, then press close. Now let's try the features one by one. As you see, I can drag and drop the text box anywhere I want. Even after I release it, I can change the size. I can make it even wider. Right here in the properties, I can control the fill color and the frame. For your convenience, you can set the size and the position right here, playing with the dots. Now, click as the instruction said. A text box will be open. And you can just write anything you want. Hello, thank you for choosing NoviSign. As I said before, very easily you can change the size, the place, even after finishing designing the text box. Double click again will open the text again for you to make any changes you like. Of course, that as it's been done in any other software, you can change and design even the text in the box, pressing bold, underline, picking a specific font and size. The second option I would like us to see, drag and drop an image, a picture box. Now the library will be open and all the pictures I have ever uploaded to the system will now open for use. Let's go back. And upload the creative. From our account. Great. As I said before, and as we did before, even now, you can set and change and play whatever you like. Let's put them one by one. This will be easier to remember. Look how easy and convenient it is to change. Now, the third feature is a movie. The same library of the movies will be open, and we can pick anyone we like, press OK, and as you see, it can be designed and set as we did before. Now, whenever you want to control one of the features, just know that you need to press on it once or twice, see the sign around it, and then approach the properties to do the changes you would like to do. As you can see, we have here on the right a demo. We have the option to set the size and position and the frame as we did before. Another important feature is the slide. All the content that we have just built, text, images, and movies, all in one, can be included on a specific, can be included on one slide. On the properties of the slide, you can see that we have here a logo of a camera with a green plus, a logo of a video with a green plus, delete option, and play and stop is a preview. A simple press on the image will open the same library that we have just used, giving us the option to include as many as pictures that you like into the slide. You can add as many as you like, and in the table, simple press right here, you can set the duration time of the specific image. Let's change it to 20. Let's change it to 20. As I said before, you can include movies as well. And as I will demonstrate later, you can add a ticker as well and include almost all the features, all the elements into the slide. You can add an RSS as well. You can add YouTube as well right here. And of course, as we did before, you can change the duration time of each and one of them. Let's make it 9. Now, let's move to another one. This must be the ticker. Let's take the ticker. Usually it's located right here. Let's make it narrow but wide. Let's make it long and narrow. As you see on the property of the ticker right here, you have the content. To add the content, by pressing on the paper with the green plus, you can delete it right here. You can see the demonstration, the preview right here. Let's add content. As you can see, the title and the text are divided. Let's write the text again. Now, as you can see, I made a mistake on the first one, or any other reason. You can just delete the first one and keep the second. Now you can add as many tickers as you like, and if you scroll down right here, you can control the display, the speed of the text. You can increase or decrease it. You can decide if you want the text to go down, left or right, the direction, the title before the text, go on. And of course, as we've seen before, the format of the title, setting as we did before, with fonts in bold, in size, setting it by pressing on close. The same as we did before can be done here. Size and position and appearance as well. Another feature I would like us to see is the RSS one. As you can see, on the properties, right here, you can choose the URL for a specific site of news. Our default is CNN, Ynet, Nana, BBC, CNBC, and Fox. But you can copy paste any URL that you want from the internet and display your own RSS, your local RSS. Let's press on it again, and you can see that you can set the reload time, the items, the date format, choosing anything you like. Control the speed, control the direction as we did with the ticker before. The title and the type. You can set the format of the title and the content as we did before. As we saw before, the appearance, size, and position are here for you to control as well. Now please let's minimize other features so we have some more space. Look how easy it is to update and to change. Let's set everything one near the other so we have space for everything. Now let's go for YouTube. Drag and drop. As you can see, the YouTube box is open right here. If you go up to the properties, you have again the line of the URL. For your convenience, we have some default that you can use: FTV, BBC, and others. But as I said before, regarding the RSS, you can just set any URL, copy paste any URL from any YouTube channel or content, and it will be uploaded real time from the system, from the internet, to your account, to your display. As we did before, you can set the appearance, the size, the position, and everything. It is extremely important to note that while using YouTube, you must pay attention that none of the other features will block and touch the size of the YouTube. It will make it stop in short time. So I'm saying again, it's extremely important to keep the borders of the YouTube free from any other feature in the screen. Now I know that this screen is a bit crowded because I want to show you all of the features. As you build your own screen, please try to set appropriate size and place for each feature so you can make the most of it. Now let's try the weather feature right here. Let's minimize it to a convenient size. As you can see, you can take it up, and you can set right here the name of the place that you want it to be. Any country, any place that you want it to display. You can set the title and the content right here. And of course, on the other features that we just saw, with the appearance, size, and position can be done as well. The next one I'm going to show you is the clock. Dragging the clock into the screen, you can set the time in your display. Right here, you can set the clock properties, the type of display that you would like it to be. See how easy to change. You can change the text. And set the appearance for your convenience. All the other setting and features that we did before can be done regarding the clock as well. The next one I'm going to show you is the shape. Just drag and drop as we did before. Just let's set the time. Let's go here to the properties. You see that you can pick from many shapes the one that is convenient for you. Set. To include it in your display show. Now, as the editor is open, let's drag and drop the feature of the website. As I said before regarding the game, it is really important to set the square of the website of the feature in a minimized half screen size, so the display will include enough pixels to provide us a better image of the size of the site. Otherwise, we'll see a half display. Now, as you can see here on the properties on the right, you have the URL. You can copy paste any other URL that you would like to use from your website or from the internet. You can fix the reload intervals. You can fix the appearance of the frame, the size, and the position. The fact that you will see this blue feature box does not mean that the system doesn't work. You cannot see it in the system, you can see it only on the player. Now let's set CNN as a site. Let's keep it and include it in the display later. Here you can see the URL was changed. Let's save it. Close the editor. It will be right here. As you can see, you cannot see the site itself, only the blue box of the feature. It is okay. On the screen connected to device, you will see it.